My name is Paul Svanes. I'm the CEO of Stamas Solutions, a CNC manufacturer based out of the Stavanger region. The biggest challenge for us before RamBase was getting the right data quality. We struggled to get the information we needed, forcing us to manually process a lot of the data. The information we were able to extract from the system was typically historically data, leaving us without the insight we needed to adapt to change in both production and market. For Stamas, it's important for us that the customers feel both seen, heard and understood when they come to us. We have an agile approach to our production, so we think more like a IT company than we think as a manufacturing company. With RamBase, we spend a lot less time on administration at the same time as we enhance our production efficiency. The implementation process was well supported by the RamBase team. They know their stuff and very helpful with all the challenges that we meet along the way. With RamBase, we have changed our daily operation to be more data-driven and efficient, making us more competitive in our industry. For us as a company, I think it's important to look towards features as AI and predictive analytics to help us tackle changes and anticipate challenges in our production. I envision that RamBase will develop features that further automate and enhances our processes. I'm very optimistic about the future collaboration with RamBase, and I believe this partnership will help us as a company to both grow and innovate, reaching our long-term goals.